nikahkan Elmar Salim, anak kandung saya, untukmu dengan maharnya 16 mayang emas tunai.
Saya terima nikah Elmar Sanepi, anak kandung ayah saya, dengan maharnya 16 mayang emas tunai.
Beats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be
Buat Nevi sama Dika, happy wedding. Semoga rumah tangganya sakinah mawaddah warahmah. Semoga cepat dapat hubungan yang banyak ya. Terima kasih dan